Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing how to grow medicinal herbs in your garden. Choose a location that gets 6 or more hours of sunlight a day and that is well drained. You also need to prepare the soil by adding compost and horticultural grit or perlite for extra drainage. You can grow herbs in raised beds, pots, or in ground gardens. Plant the herb to the same depth as the root ball and water in well. Break up the soil to promote root growth and water access. Too much sun can cause basil, parsley and coriander to flower and seed, which stops them producing delicious leaves. However, oregano, mint, chives and rosemary thrive in sun, so are best planted in a sunnier spot. Prior to planting, turn the soil over with a garden fork and blend through quality compost or well-composted manure. Add a suitable quantity of controlled-release fertilizer too. Not confident of starting? Try our Medicinal Herbs Gardening Kit. Link is in the description of this video.